Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this day we will do mini contest about a procedure text. Okay, so let's come. The first speaker is Aul. Aul, let's come.
Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in here I'm gonna do mini contest about procedure text, and my title is about how to make Oreo milkshake. Yay! Okay, that will be very good. Okay, so now let's just move to the first slide.
No, you haven't prototype.
Oh. Okay, so let's just move to the first is about the ingredients. So the first is you need to 1 pin or 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and then 1 cup milk, 1 cup milk. So like ultra milk you can, and then put in the cup, and then 8 Oreo cookies. You need to buy 8 Oreo, one package already enough, and then the 1 tablespoon chocolate sauce, 1 spoon of chocolate sauce, and then 2 Oreo cookies, garnish. Okay, so just like the seasoning Oreo cookies, yeah. Okay, and then first is gather all of the ingredients, all like this, all gather in here. Okay, and then the second is place the vanilla ice cream, milk, and 8 Oreo cookies and the chocolate sauce in a blender. Yes, put all in the blender, close it, and then turn the blender on, and then it will be and then until is like liquid. Okay, then the third one is crush the remaining 2 Oreo cookies. It's like 8 Oreo, and then more 2 cookies, and then the 2 Oreo cookies will crush all like this until like this, like porridge. And then the fourth is pound the milkshakes into 2 tall glasses. Okay, so just put in 2 glasses or 1, it's fine, and then put the Oreo cookie, the garnish, the seasoning in up, yeah, the one that 2 cookies that. Then yay, it's done. Thank you for making Oreo milkshake. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening my tutorial how to make Oreo milkshake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Aul for already come forward to here. So let's move on to the correction. Okay, brother Aim, you can give the correction.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So from me, correction for Aul is the first is don't forget to put your prototype in your file. So maybe there is no troubleshooting like before. And then for second is you can change your word from ngeng is being mixed or shake. Okay. So in that overall Aul is already good. Okay. I give back to MC.
Okay, so let's move on to the next speaker is Raka. Okay, come forward.
Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Amma ba'du. Okay, so on this occasion, I will tell you the tutorial on how to make one of the most delicious Malaysia's beverage. Yeah. So
Whiskas.
no, not Whiskas. It's cat tears. Or in bahasa we pronounce it air mata kucing. Yeah. So whoever go to Malaysia.
No.
Okay, have you ever drink this? Wah, no one knows. Okay, so cat tears. Why it get called cat tears? Because it's using longan fruit. You know longan fruit, guys? Longan fruit means lengkeng. Yeah. So it's from Malaysia. Yeah, that's why it's actually famous. But I don't know why you guys don't know. Okay, so we're moving on. This is the appearance of what the name? Yeah, that beverage. Okay, so we're moving on the ingredients. So the ingredients that you need to for making this beverage is 200 gram longan fruit, and it's peeled halfway. So you know, right? Longan fruit is actually eclipse or circle, and you cut half so it looks like cat eye. Yeah, and then 75 gram rock sugar, or in bahasa gula batu. So later we will melt this and mix it with water. Yeah, and then 100 gram candied kundur. But this is optional. So candied kundur is in bahasa manisan kundur. Yeah, kundur is like fruit that looks like bonteng. Yeah. So and then 1 teaspoon of basil seeds, or is also optional. Basil seeds is biji selasih. And then 100 gram of nata de coco. This is also optional. And 200 gram ice scope, or ice scope. Yeah, if you don't know, maybe this is the new vocabulary for you. Ice scope is also ice rock. If you still say es batu ice rock. Yeah. And then 200 ml of water. Okay, so we'll start on how to make it. How to make the beverage. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is boil water, longan fruit, and dissolve rock sugar. So, and then you will leave it to the cool of room temperature. Yeah, so it becomes blue. It means that it's already in the room temperature. What do you think, guys? Is this room temperature cold or hot? Hot. Okay, hot. Okay, so the next step is you need to pour the ingredient to a glass. Yeah, because it's kind of simple. You need to boil all of the ingredient. Yeah. After that, you can add toppings like nata de coco, or yeah, you can say it ice scope. And then yeah, you can add flour for plating. Yeah. And then it's done. It's ready to be served. Yeah. For my recommendation, maybe if you want to make the color red like this, you can add a candied kundur and also tea. That is a great combination. Yeah. So maybe that's all. I'm so sorry if I have mistakes. Yeah. And also a new abbreviation for you. TYSM means thank you so much. Okay, so the last say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Raka that already come forward. Okay, let's move on to I am for giving the correction.
Okay, so now it's time for me correction. This is not really the correction. This is like correction for the other that before have come forward. You can like try to duplicate like Raka because he's good. His gesture, his emotion, and the other. You can try it like that. Yeah, maybe you can try the best. Okay, maybe that's all. I give back to MC.
Okay, we will next to the next speaker is Padel. So Padel, the time is yours.
Okay, sila. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I will, of course, I will do this mini contest procedure text. So about avocado juice. Yeah, so here as you can see, this will be the result. Inshallah, you will like that if you can make this. Yeah. So the ingredients. So the first that you need is 2 avocados. After that, 2 spoons sugar, and the third is 1 sachet of white milk, or can like Frisian flag milk if in Indonesia. After that, the fourth is chocolate sweetened. After that, the fifth is ice cup, as you need it, and the sixth is 50 ml water. Okay, so yeah, let's going to the step. So the first step is you need to cut the avocado, yeah, and take the meat, yeah, because yeah, of course we need the meat. We no need take the nuts, yeah. Yeah, and then the second step is yeah, blender avocado and blender the avocado and then sugar, milk, water, and ice until smooth. Yeah, so later will be become green the color of the water, and then like that. Will be very very smooth, and then yeah and then the fourth step is and put chocolate milk for the toppings. Yeah, so when has done or has become the avocado juice, so you can give a milk, yeah, like this, yeah, the example. So yeah, and then you can like shake it, or if in the bottle, or can use spoon for giving that milk, yeah. So later this chocolate is only for like additional flavor, additional taste, right? And then thank you, yeah, that's very short, yeah, thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so thank you for Fadel for already for come forward. So the next is for Aul for give a correction.
Okay, thank you for Fadel. Yes, thank you for Fadel about has presenting his slide. And for me, your fluency is kinda, yes. For me, overall it's good, normal, yes. But I heard you say has become. Okay, so maybe you can say has finished or something, yes. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you for all for giving a correction. Okay, for the next speaker is Faik. Faik, the time is yours.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to do my procedure text about what I want to make. Yeah, something. Creamy strawberry smoothie. Yeah, so this my inspiration, from here. So how to make it is you need a 1 cup fresh or frozen strawberry, and for the second is 1 strip of banana. The third is a half cup plain yogurt or Greek yogurt if you have it, and the fourth is a half cup of milk, and the fifth is 1 tablespoon honey. This is optional if you want to make it. And for the last is ice cubes. Yeah, it's also optional if you want freeze ice smoothies, or if you don't like something that ice, yeah, you can or not use this. So for the first step, wash the strawberry and remove the stem. Yeah, and for the second is peel the ripe banana and break it. Yeah, slice it, something like that. Okay, so continue and place the strawberry and the banana and yogurt, milk into one blender. Yeah, and then continue for the fourth. If you prefer cold, yeah, you can using ice. This is optional, that before. Okay, so continue. Taste the smoothies. I think not this. Yeah, this. Blend all the ingredients. Yeah, after you blend all, you can put on your mug or cup or something like that. Continue. This is the optional. You can put honey, something like that. And once you're satisfied with the taste and consistency, yeah, just put on your mug and yeah, maybe you can plating or something like that on your mug, put some strawberries and something like that. Okay, then yeah, you can try it and serve immediately and enjoy it. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Faik for already come forward. Okay, for Aul for giving a correction.
Okay, thank you for Faik has come forward to present his slide. So overall it's kind of good, but I have some correction for you. Like your voice is small, so maybe you can increase your voice, come louder, and also your gesture. It's you always see the TV. You should do eye contact. Your eye contact is only in opening and in the closing, as I see. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you for Faik.
Okay, thank you for Aul for giving a correction. Yeah, let's move on to the next speaker is Jahran. Okay, Jahran, the time is yours.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so my name is Arno Tadisa, and right now I'm at the mini contest. So today I'm gonna show you a tutorial about on how to make Grimace shake. So maybe I'll tell you what's a Grimace shake first. So Grimace shake is a brand new drink. I guess it's at 2023. Yeah, it got released there. Yes, I know. And it's a part of a product of the McDonald's company. Yeah, so Grimace shake is inside the McDonald's company. So if you've ever go to McDonald's or go to the drive-thru or stuff like that, you'll see a menu of Grimace birthday, and it includes this Grimace shake. Yeah, so why do I choose on how to make Grimace shake? Because the flavor is good. Yeah. It has the flavor of blueberry and raspberry, as I remember. And also, the drink is like kind of viral right now because it makes people like, you know. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is the ingredients that we need, like the food and stuff. So first we need blueberries. So where do we get blueberries from? We get blueberries from forest, you know, or we can just buy it. We got raspberries here and vanilla ice cream, and then whole milk. Yeah, so you can just buy a milk, maybe like ultra milk, full cream or stuff, and then yeah, whipped cream. And then this is the equipment that we will need to make the Grimace shake. So first we need blender, milkshake glasses, straw, ice cream scooper, and measuring cup. So blender, yeah, we need blender to mix it later, so we don't have to use hand. Then there's milkshake glasses. So it's like a glass that looks like this. Yeah, that looks like this. That looks like this. Yeah, it's called milkshake glasses. Then there's straw. Yeah, so we can like drink it. Ice cream scooper, you know, ice cream scooper like this, like I don't know. And then there's measuring cup. So measuring cup is like for measure the amount of the water. Okay, so this is how do you make it. So first you gotta get your blender ready. You gotta get it like activated, and then add blueberries, raspberry, milk, and vanilla ice cream into the blender. Yeah. So after you added all of that, close your blender and blend it until smooth consistency. Yeah. And then pour the milkshake into a glass. Yeah, the milkshake glass that we used before, or you can just use another glass that you have in your home. Pour the milkshake into a glass and top with whipped cream. Yeah, like it's like a cream where you like that. Yeah, you know. And then you can just add rainbow sprinkles if you want, because rainbow sprinkles actually supports and make the flavor better. Then a straw, and then yeah, you can enjoy your Grimace shake homemade. Homemade Grimace shake. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening to my tutorial, great tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Jahran for already come forward. Okay, let's move on to Aul for giving a correction. Yeah, Aul, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for Zahran for coming forward. So overall is good, yes. But I have some comment or correction for you. So like Faik before, your is about your eye contact, yeah, your eye contact. Okay, so and then about the slide. The slide maybe it's better you put some picture or something. Okay. So maybe that's all from the comment. Overall is good. Thank you Jaran. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for all for giving a correction. Okay, let's move on to the next speaker is Afif. Okay.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna tell you how to make ice matcha by yourself, and it's easy. We just need some what we call it, ingredients. Okay, so the first you need of course green tea, and then you need milk, and then you need sweetened milk. Okay, and the last hot water of course. Next. Okay, so the first pour 30 grams of matcha by Coint. So it's my father product. Okay, next. The second, brew with 60 milliliters hot water. So we need to cook hot water first and then put 60 milliliter on it. Next. And the next, stir it until it's soft. So there is no anymore the powder, but it's being water. Okay. Then the fourth, add 12 grams of sugar. I forgot to tell it. We need sugar for make it sweetened. Then the fifth, stir until evenly distributed. So after we put the sugar, we need to stir it. Then the next, add 20 milliliters sweetened condensed milk. So in Indonesia we call it as susu kental manis. Okay, next, and stir again, and then add 100 milliliter UHT milk. So we need milk of course. So it should be full because we put 60 milliliters of hot water and then we add 100 milliliter of milk. Then stir again until evenly distributed. And then the need, add ice to the shaker. So we need shaker to shake it. Then pour matcha into the shaker and then shake. After that, shake and pour into the cups, and last, yeah, the matcha, we can drink the matcha. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is wrong steps. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Afif for already come forward. And the next is correction from Aul. Okay, Aul, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you for Afif. Thank you Afif for come forward. And like usual is good, but I think you need to get some explanation to the audience. Okay, and maybe you can just put your laptop here so it will be fast when you move from slide to another slide. If you ask some help to other people, maybe it's kinda long because there is miscommunication or something. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for all for giving a correction. Okay, let's move on to the next speaker is Adelio. Okay, Adelio, let's come forward.
Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to this mini contest, or I can say this is the last mini contest for us, right? So, this is about produce text about beverages, and what am I going to show today? So, now I'm going to start. Hey you! Bored of drinking water? Well, I have the solution for you. Introducing Soda Gembira. So, Soda Gembira is the kind of drink that can help with your hydration, and also you can feel refreshing by drinking this. Maybe you are thirsty in this summer? Yeah, why not drink this? Now, try to drink it. It's great. So how to make it? Well, it's easy. I'm going to show you the ingredients first. These are the ingredients. So first, we have to prepare a marjan syrup, after that a Sprite and a Fresh and Flag. And after that, first, you have to pour the Fresh and Flag at the bottom and the marjan together like this. And if you are ready, add with the water, the bottle of Sprite. And if you already add the bottle of Sprite, now stir it together with the spoon. And after that, it's finished. So, this is the kind of drink that can help with your hydration and also refreshing for you. And that's why I recommend using Soda Gembira. Maybe that's all for my advertisement. The last I say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Adelio for come forward. Okay, for the next is Aul for giving a correction.
Okay, thank you for Adelio for coming forward. And overall is very good, very good. I have no comment about it, but moreover when your slide is good, is the guy that the drink is good. No, but I think no comment for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Aul for giving a correction. Okay, let's move on to the next speaker is Haidar. Okay, Haidar, the time is yours.
Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hello everyone, how is it going? So today, in this day, I going to talk about how to make Adani tea. So if you don't know what is Adani tea, so Adani tea is one of tea that made from Arab. Yeah. So let's move on to the ingredients. So this is the ingredients. So the first ingredients is tea, then the second is milk, the third is full cream, the fourth is cardamom, the fifth is cinnamon, the sixth is clove, and then the seventh is ginger, and then the eighth is water, and then ninth is sugar. Okay, so let's move on to the tutorial. Okay, so the first step is you have to boil the tea, and cardamom with water until boiling, like this picture. Okay, and then the second step is add cow's milk, full cream, cloves, and cinnamon and ginger, and boil for about 15 minutes. And then next, okay, so the next step is after 15 minutes, add the sugar according to taste or depend on you, and then boil again for about 5 minutes, and then remove from the heat. And then next, This is the last step, the fourth step. Strain and put into a cup. Adenine is ready to be enjoyed hot. Okay, maybe that's all for me. And sorry if I have some mistake. And I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Haidar for the come forward. Okay, for the next is Aul for giving a correction.
Okay, thank you for Haidar for coming forward. Overall is good also. I like your gesture. Moreover, when you this is the text and like this is good. But better you don't knock the TV again. Okay. And also your power, yes, your power is good. And yeah, maybe that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for all for giving a correction. Okay, for the next speaker is Heru. Okay, Heru, the time is yours. Okay, we'll go to the next speaker is Ariki. Ariki, the time is yours.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so, this mini contest, wait. Okay, this mini contest is about what? So, now today I will tell you how to make leci Yakult iced tea. Okay, first, the ingredient, the composition, 10 leci, 2 Yakults, 1 tea bag, and then water 50 ml warm, still warm, and then ice cube, just whatever you want, random, even like 1 kilogram or 1 gram is okay. And then 3 spoon of sugar. Okay, next. Okay, first there is a 50 ml warm water and then tea. Next. And then next again, we can just mix it and then become tea. Yes. And then next. And then with 3 spoon of sugar. Next. Again. It will become sugar tea. Okay, now we're gonna make the tea. Next is the tea first and the 2 of Yakult and then 10 of lychee and then last is the ice cube and then next done. Yes. Next. Yes, you can add whatever you want like a noodle, chicken, or I forget the food the name. Yeah, it will be better for the food. I mean for the drink. Even it's not tidy, it's okay. Okay, next. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Ariki for the come forward. Okay, for the next is correction from I. Okay, I am the.
Okay. So correction for Ariki is maybe your body you a little bit do blocking, and then some of technical error and for the little mislike. You can do like this next to the TV for not doing blocking or anything. Okay, so maybe that's correction for Ariki.
Okay, let's move on to the next speaker is Helmi. Okay, Helmi, the time is yours.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I will give you a procedure text about how to make avocado juice. So this is the ingredient. So the first is there is sugar and avocado fruit and chocolate milk, and next the step by step how to make avocado juice. So the first there is avocado fruit. So you have to cutting first the skin of the avocado fruit and you put at the blender. And the next don't forget also to put sugar for make it good. And the next step is
Oh yeah, and don't forget to put the milk. So there is so what? So well, there is the taste very very good. Yeah, like that. And next, so if you are after that, if you already mix all of the other ingredients, you can put at the glass, and after that, done. So maybe this is the result. Yeah, I don't have the picture. So maybe this is the illustration of the avocado juice. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so next. Okay, so thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I said something as my mistake. Last I said wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for hearing me. For the come forward. Okay, for the next is for I'm giving the correction.
Okay, so correction for Hemi, I will just do basic correction like for the text on the slide, and for your voice is I think it's very little, so your friend cannot hear it. Okay, and the other is like some little missing grammar or anything like that. Okay, so maybe that's all way from the correction. I give back to Rafan.
Okay, thank you for I'm for giving a correction. Okay, for the next speaker is Umar. Okay, Umar, the time is yours.
Alright, thank you very much for the MC that already give me time. So yeah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I will deliver to you guys. Nah, about how to make a butterfly pea flower. This is just a fun fact. Butterfly pea flower tea can help to improve memory and the immune system. Its high antioxidant content can also nourish the skin and support eye and hair care. Yeah, just for information. And then we'll just start for the ingredient. The first is Asian pigeon wings, or you can say it Clitoria ternati, yeah, because it's from, yeah. And then the next, honey, basil seeds, lemon, and water. Oh yeah, by the way, you can change it to water using coconut water or just a Sprite water. Yeah, it's depend on you. Okay, so for the first, put 1 handful Clitoria ternate and the basil seeds into the hot water. Okay, next, then put honey on it and let it still to the bottom. So it will make an ingredients from the gold to be blue or purple. Next, strain the basil seeds and put it into the water tea. Then it will be like this. You can see it, the basil seeds under, and then put the lemon into the water for make it more refreshing. Then next, this is the result. Yeah, I use AI for make it. And yeah, maybe that's all from me. Last what I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Umar for already come forward. Okay, for the next is I'm for giving a correction.
Okay, so again and again, so it's almost same like correction before about your gesture. You can see you blocking like this before for reading, and then yeah, your voice maybe is already high, but make it higher again. And then about the before the material is good for bang anything. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's the first correction is about your movement body. You know, you blocking to the TV, so the other can see. Okay, so maybe that's all. I can give back to Afan.
Okay, thank you for I'm for giving a correction. Okay, for the next is Hero. Hero, the time is yours.
Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, so now I will explain you about how to make bir peletok. Yeah, bir peletok is one of drink at Indonesian. Yeah, can be herbal. Yeah, and I forget, it's from Jakarta maybe. Yes. Yeah, from Jakarta. So let's be next to the next slide is the ingredients of bir peletok. Yeah, the first is 150 gram ginger, yeah, and 2 piece lemongrass, 2 pandan leaves, and in here there is 4 centimeter cinnamon, and many again, yeah. There is 1 or 400 of not 400 but 1 or 4 nutmeg, 5 piece clove, and 1 or 4 salt. And here there is 150 grams of sugar, 50 gram of brown sugar, and 1.5 liter of water. Yeah, and then the first step is we can burn it, the ginger, with the fire. Yeah. After that, we can make it the ginger being flat. Yeah, with tumbuk. Yeah. And then after that, you can enter it the ginger and the pandan leaves, and yes, to water, hot water, and you can make it like this one until like this, and after that you can put the water inside of bucket, the other bucket that already clean from the ingredients. Yeah, after that, yeah, being the drink that you can drink it, and maybe you can make it cold or hot is up to you. Yeah, and the last that, yeah, maybe that's all from me, and don't forget to make it in your home. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Heru for already come forward. Okay, for the next is I am for giving a correction.
Okay, so correction for Aero is almost same like before, but this matter lah, not like before. I mean, yeah, you still same sih, still seeing at the TV, almost do blocking, and then like next time vocabulary, next and for the fluency, yeah, continue. Next, give to Afan.
Okay, thank you for Aim for giving a correction. Okay, for the next is Sabil. Sabil, the time is yours.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make. Wait.
What?
Tropical drinks. So next. So this is the ingredients. First is snifter glass. If you don't know what is snifter glass, is glass that the shape is like this. It's only for decoration maybe. The next is calamansi syrup, or if you don't have, you may use mango syrup. Next is ice cubes, sugar, and lemon. And then the last is soda. So next. So this the first things that you have to do. You can pour the sugar into the glass. It's up to you how much sugar that you need. Next is you can take some lemon, and then you can squeeze it until the lemon juice is appears. Then you can pour the lemon juice to the glass. Then next is, you can stir it until it mix perfectly. Next is you can pour the calamansi syrup or mango syrup to the glass. Next is you can put some ice cubes into the glass. Yeah, it's depend on you. If you want to use ice, if you want a cold drink or no, yeah, it's up to you. Next is you can pour the soda into the glass. And next, yeah, you can enjoy your tropical breeze cocktail everywhere and anywhere. Yeah, so thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Sabil for the comfort. Okay, for the next is I am for giving a correction.
Okay, so correction for Sabil before. For the gesture maybe already good, so there's no correction gesture. Maybe from pronunciation maybe. So it's like juice, juice, and the other one syrup. What? Calamansi syrup. Okay, so next I give back to Afan.
Okay, thank you for Aim for giving a correction. For the next speaker is Raya. Okay, Raya, the time is yours.
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Feeling hot on summer day? Having a vacation on the beach? You want to drink something but you don't know? I have an idea here. So for my guy, come on. Okay. Orange juice. Maybe it sounds very simple or what, but it's delicious, you know. Who don't like lemon juice here? Me. Or maybe who don't like orange juice? Me. Okay. Only minimum of people. Okay. So next slide. Okay. So for making a lemon juice, first, of course, you need a cup. I'll choose this good cup because it's cool. It's made from. The next step is you can use an orange. Okay. So with the orange, maybe you can put that orange on the blender and you can blend it until it's perfectly mixed. Okay, until it's perfectly become a liquid. Okay. So next, it will become a liquid. Okay. So here, next, because it's already done for the lemon juice, or the orange juice, maybe you can put something. Like me, I'll put a lemon here. For make the taste better. Okay. So next, other than lemon, you can put this thing, a stripe. Okay. Next, other than stripe, okay. If you want to make it to be cold, you got an ice. Okay. Ice is an important one because on summer break or holiday, it will be very hot, and you're having a vacation on ocean or sea, and the weather is kind of hot, right? So you need an ice. Next, it's an orange juice. A simple things that can make you feel better on vacation. Okay, so maybe that's all about me. Or my orange juice too. Thank you for you all for listening. I'm Gazwan Rena Sabrindarto. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Raya for the comfort. For the next is from I am for giving a correction.
Okay, so for me there is no correction for Raya, but maybe next time give more interesting material for like orange juice is very basic, you know. You can make it to be like rare one. Okay, so I give back to Afan.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Was our mini contest video. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have so many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.